First cast of the morning. This little corner looks good right here. Just waiting for my buddy so we can go chase some redfish. He had an appointment this morning. I figured, well, while I'm waiting, I'll just cast this point where this water is just flying through here. Maybe there's a snook hanging out right here. Maybe, baby. No bait over here though. Oh, dude, that was a good fish. Fish on. Fish on, baby. Hey, we got some little snook. We got current and we got structure. It was right up there in that little cove. It's a little snook here first thing in the morning. See ya. All right. That looks like a snooky spot right there on that point. We got a snook hanging out right here. Yep, there he is. Snook number 2, baby. Nice, wrapping around the piling. Look at that. Snook number 2. Hey. Hey. Yeah, I actually just caught 2 snook back to back. See ya. And my buddy's on the way. Let's see if we got another little snook here. Around the corner. Around this little corner. Oh, there he is. Look at that. Nice. These are like almost back-to-back casts here. I'm getting these little guys. Hey, this is fun, dude. You know, I don't care if you flip off. See ya. Nice. All right, look at that. That was literally back-to-back casts right there. He kind of hesitated for when he wanted to hit it. You got another one up there? There just might be a bunch of these little guys piled in there. Sometimes there's I probably caught 10 little snook like this just so you find a little spot where they're hanging out. Yep, there we go. Look at that. Got another one. Just tearing them up. Nice. It looks like his brother. That last one's brother right there. Snook number 4. Woo! Yeah. Gonna be a snook kind of day. Nice. Well, there's 3 of them I pulled off of this corner. Can I pull another one off of there? They're liking the little gold spoon. There he is. Oh my gosh. Number 4 on the corner, guys. What did I tell you? I might be hitting a record here. 4 in a row. Hey, see ya. They keep getting off. Ah, nice. Can we get a repeat? Can we get a repeat, Pete? Can we make it number 5? There he is, number 5. Oh my gosh. Every cast, man. Every cast. That's funny. You gonna shake off too like your cousins? Nice. Nice. See ya. All right, that was number 5. Woo! Is there a number 6 up there? I might throw I got a little Yozuri I could throw up there and probably whack them too. Let's see what happens here. Yeah, it looks like there's not a number 6. Let me throw back up in here where I caught that. Oh no, dude, my spoon just literally wrapped around that freaking mangrove 10 times. Oh my gosh. I just saw it go. I just hooked up with number 6 right here, guys. Oh, I lost him. Number 7. Well, that's a little better one. That's a little better one. You gonna give me a little fight this morning, huh? Number 7. He's about 20 inches. That's a little better one there. That's a little better. See ya. Nice. Well, now I wonder if there's another one up here. Oh, I just had one follow it up. Look at the swirl. I'm just gonna throw it way up there and just bring it right down this mangrove line. There's no current here. Let's get back around there where the current's at. These rocks over here. There might be one here. Watch this. Watch this. Right on the point of those rocks, there's going to be one. Yep, there he is. Dude, I am wrecking the fish this morning. That's a snapper. That's a snapper. You gotta be kidding. You gotta be kidding. I got 8 snook and a mangrove snapper already. I ain't even been out here a half hour. Wow. Snapper, snapper. See ya. Well, see if we got something else on this little point right here. Gotta be a snook in there. Man, that just looks so fishy up in here. There's a nice little eddy area. I'm sure I'm not the only person that's fished here before. There he is. Look at all the bait up there. That's another snapper, dude. That's another snapper. 2 snappers and 8 snook. Oh my God. See ya. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. 3 snappers. 3 snappers and 8 snook. This dock right here is loaded with snappers, man. Thanks, little guy. See ya. Bunch of snappers in here. See if we can get another one into the stock. Take a little different approach here. Oh, had a hit. Oh, there he is. There he is. I lost him. That's another snapper. Dude, these fish are hungry, and here's one just swirled on my bait right there. This dock right here looks juicy. Oh, look at that. Fish on, baby. As soon as it hit the water, he grabbed it. He was sitting right on top of the water. Snapper. No way, dude. I'm catching snappers like crazy. These docks are loaded. That's number 5 snapper. 5 snappers and 8 snook. That's insane. Thanks, buddy. See ya. Woohoo. As soon as it hit the water, the little guy snagged it. That is so funny. I don't think I've ever caught so many snappers on artificial at one time. That's just crazy, man. Whoa. I got hammered. I got hammered. He like hit that thing so freaking hard, man. Oh, had one follow it right there. A bunch of bait right here. There he is. Oh yeah, it's a good one. Dude, that's a good fish. Holy smokes. What the heck? Oh no. He's got me hung up. What the heck is this? I bet it's a grouper. He's still on there. Still on there. That's a good fish. He's still on there. I don't want to lose this spoon. I think I lost him. He got me wrapped up in something. I'm gonna see if I can just reel all the way down, get it out. There he is, there he is. Got him. Yeah, I thought it was a grouper. Nice grouper, man. Look at that. Woo-hoo. Baby. Man, he's fighting good. Unbelievable, guys. All of them on a spoon, man. Wow. That's just crazy right there. Woohoo! Well, you want lunch? Oh yeah. Check it out. Check it out, baby. Woohoo! See ya. Nice. Guys, this is crazy, man. I'm just sitting here hanging out waiting for my buddy to get here. He had an appointment this morning, and I thought, well, I'll just go ahead and get launched and I'll fish a little bit. I got 8 snook, 5 mangrove snapper, and a flipping grouper in like a half hour. That was ridiculous. But they're feeding right here on this point, so I'm gonna spot lock it up and we're gonna catch some more for fun. Yeah, having fun, right? Yeah, that's it.